Setup server. Setup server for COC3. First, open your network. Properties. Change adapter settings. And let us disable your Ethernet. Again, there's no need to disable the router's DHCP. Just your Ethernet. Now, click your server dashboard or your server manager. Maximize. And let us add some rules. Click. Next. 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 Then check Active Directory Domain Services. Add features. Click DHCP. Add features. DNS. Add features. Click File and Storage Services. File and ISCSI. Then check File Server Resource Manager. Add features. Click Print and Document Services. Add features. Then check Web Server. Add features. Click Next. 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 Just next. Next. Next until you see the installation tab. Just click the Restart tab. Yes. Then install. You wait for the rules to configure. So installation is in progress. You wait for the computer to display some information. So click Promote this server to a domain controller. You click that one. Promote this server to a domain controller. Click Add a new forest. Then type your domain. Example, css.com, ict.com, css.org, css.net. In my example, ict.com. That is your domain, your website, your forest. So type the password of your server. Input the password and confirm password. Next. Next. So the NetBIOS domain name is ICT, which is correct. Next. 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 Until you see or you can click the installation tab. All prerequisites must be checked. Okay, all prerequisites checked passed successfully. So click install. If there is a red mark or an error one, just check your network connection and your static IP address. Again, if you cannot proceed in this part, check your static IP address and check your network cable. So the installation begins. You just wait for the computer to load. So it takes some time. You just be patient and you wait. about to sign out. You're about to sign out. So PC will restart and you wait until the computer will load. So PC is restarting. Please wait. So you wait until all rules are loaded into your system and it becomes a domain network. Applying security policy to the system. And you just type again the password. As you can see, you're now in the ICT /administrator. So refresh your computer, open this PC, properties, and you can see you're in your domain network, ict.com. So again, open the dashboard, click the notification, click complete DHCP configuration. Click next and click commit. Click close. Now you are ready. Click DHCP, right click your computer name, click DHCP manager, expand your domain, your DHCP. Expand, click the arrow sign, select TCP IP version 4, new scope, click next, type the name of the scope, example DHCP, then next, then type the starting IP address. So to determine your IP, just type ipconfig. So for example, you have 10.0.2.15, you just add 1, or the IP address of your server should not be included. Again, do not include the IP address of your server. So say for example, I will begin with 10.0.2.16. So I'll start with 16 since my IP address is 15. So 10.0.2. So for example, I am going to add at least 50 IP address for this DHCP server. So I will add 56. So again, do not include the server IP. So in my example, I have 50 IP addresses. So next, and please enter the router's default gateway. So again, if you forget, just open your CMD, ipconfig, and look for default gateway. So input the gateway, then click add. Next, and finish. As you can see, you can check your DHCP under the scope, then you just expand, then click address pool, and you will see your starting and your end IP. Okay, just click close and let us proceed with the DNS. Again, right click your computer name, DNS manager, expand your domain. Let us create reverse lookup zone. So right click, new zone, next, 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 next. So again, you type your network ID. So in my case, I have 1002. That is my network ID. So next, next, next. So expand your reverse lookup. Look for your first reverse IP. So right click, new pointer or PTR. Then add the server IP address, the last IP address. In my example, I have 15. So add the host IP, which is 15. You click browse, expand, double click your domain, select forward lookup, select your domain, double click, then scroll down, change the record type to all records, then click the first notepad or start of authority. Click it and click OK. Then your host name and your host IP address should be the same. So OK. Let us create a loopback address. Right click, new zone, next, 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 next. So this is a given for the loopback. So we have 127.0.0. Next, next, and finish. Select that, right click, click new pointer, then add 1. So this will be our reverse loopback address. So same process, select your domain, record types to all records, then start of authority. Select the first notepad, click OK. So you should have the same host name and your IP address. Okay, so go back to your forward, select your domain, right click your server name, click properties, then update pointer or PTR. So you should have this static, your last notepad, click close, then close. So refresh the computer, open CMD,